the product is great. I think it's very wonderful. So let's move to our next factory. That is DONGGUAN, Ledstar Photoelectric Technology Corporation. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Hello. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
This is Melissa.
Melissa.
From,
okay. Melissa.
Yeah.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yes. So glad to be here.
Yes. So now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your products. Could you give us a detailed introduction of the company?
Yes. My name is Melissa. I'm from
Ledstar
company.
A little thing I need to. So your camera is no right. We only see the. Yes.
Okay.
We can see you, but
how about now?
No. Your camera is. Can you turn 19 degrees?
Okay. Yes. 90 度. Yes.
Oh yeah. That's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. Hi, friends. Welcome to the live show of Glow Lighting LED chip. My name is Melissa. I'm from Ledstar company. Our company is a manufacturer of Glow LED chip. Today, I'm going to show you our showroom, lab, and plant shop. Now, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'd like to start from here. Actually, Ledstar company has been focused on Glow LED chip for more than 8 years. We have developed thousands of items for horticultural lighting. As you can see from here, the wavelengths can be from UV to visible light and also infrared light. And the LED chips can be made into different sizes and powers. Right now, our LED chips have been applied in different horticultural lightings. As you can see here in our showroom, there are some kinds of horticultural lighting fixtures. All of them are from our customers, but they are made with Ledstar LED chip. Firstly, you can see the desk glow lamp is usually used for indoor glowing. And then the bigger equipment, which can be in different level to save the space, they usually are used for plant factory. Thirdly, I'd like to show you the most important application of our LED. That is LED for cannabis growing lighting. As you know, different plants need different spectrum. Ledstar has quite enough experience in designing the customized spectrum for different plants. Here, there are some hot sale items for cannabis lighting, such as the spider item, cotton bird, and also the top lighting. Yes, they are very popular, especially for European and the North American market. We design the spectrum for our customer, and then they use the LED chips to make the fixture. Let me turn on the lighting for you. Okay. Oh, no need to turn. Yeah. As you can see, there are different colors from the lighting fixture, white, red, and blue, because they can create the professional spectrum, which can help the cannabis to grow well. Later, I will show you details and take a close look. But firstly, I'd like to turn off the light first. Okay, here is a picture. As you can see,
Yes.
White LED, red. Yes, are all from Ledstar company. Yeah, and they are in different sizes.
Okay, so the red LED special for which plant?
Actually, red LED, we cannot just say it's good for some plant, but we can say red is good for all kinds of plants because it's good for the leaf growing. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Later, I will show you details of our LEDs. You can see the 4 posters on the wall. Firstly is the top red item, 351V high efficiency deep red for plant growing. The wavelength is 660 nanometer, and it's compatible to Osran's 3.24 level item. When you see the PPE results here, when the current is 350 milliamp, our PPE can be 4.06, while Osran's is 3.97. So ours is higher than Osran's item. So that's why many customers are choosing Ledstar red LED chip to replace Osran items. Next, you can see another item. It's also red. The wavelength is the same, 669 nanometer, but the size is 3030. The PPE is also can be higher or compatible to Osran's 1.24 level. You can see here 100. When the LED is tested under the current of 100 milliamp, our PPE result is 4.08 micromole per joule. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, you know, the fixture not only use red LED, but also will be combined with white LED. So this item 303H is our top high efficiency white LED. It compared to it compared to Samsung's LM301H and also 30B. When the current is 65 milliamp, our PPE result is 3.06 micromole per joule. Yeah, here the same as Samsung item. Of course, our price is much competitive than Samsung item. Yeah.
Okay.
Next we'll show you another item. This is 282H item, high efficiency white. It can compare to Samsung LN561C code. The result, obvious, can be the same as Samsung's item, and we have very good quality with LM80 approved. Yes. Okay. So these are the 4 glow LED chips mostly used and the most hot sell. I'd like to show you. How do you find them? Yes, I hope you like it. You will choose it, and you may want to know more about our LEDs, right? Okay, let's. Yes. I'd like to show you our lab. Follow me. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. No hurry. just take 1 minute to walk along here. We have very clean and dust-free experiments and the laboratory here. We do all the tests here in the room. Here. Okay, here we are. Okay, firstly, on my left, you can see a big ball. We call it integrating severe testing equipment. And also we have small integrating severe testing equipment, or they are ever 5 brands. Yes. But what can this equipment do? It can help customers to test the lighting fixture. The diameter is as wide as 2 meters. So we can help to test different sizes of fixtures. We can see the lumen, PPE, PPF, also CRI and etc. parameters for the lightings and chips from the integrating severe test. Yeah. Here there is a board which have the list of 12 tests we do for our LEDs, such as the constant temperature and humidity test, high temperature live test, ESD test, yes, and so on. You can see the standards from here, and all tests are requested to take strictly according to the standards. And later I will show you one by one.
Okay, very professional.
Thank you. Here, first, in this loan, here is constant temperature and humidity test. The LEDs are put into this equipment and set the temperature to be around 80 to 85 degrees centigrade. And the current could be set according to different LEDs. It should be tested for 168 hours. Only in this way we can make sure the LED performance are reliable, and we can check some problems in time. Yeah. Okay. Secondly, here is the top cold shock test. Okay.
Okay, Melissa. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your professional introduction.
Thank you.
Do you want to share
but
with?
That's not over yet. We have some more tests. That is the high temperature live test. You can see here inside there are all kinds of LED chips, which we do for our customers, or from our customer orders. Yes, when they put inside, we need to set the temperature to be 80 to 85 degrees centigrade, and for keep testing to see what is going on with the lumen when the temperature is keeping growing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should see this side, ESD test, and also hardness test, analysis test, low temperature test. Yeah. Okay. All these tests are necessary. We take strictly here for each order to ensure the quality is good. Okay. Yeah. Now, okay, we will go to the third part. But I'm going to show you our workshop. Okay.
Yes. Yes. So can you show us the plan? Use the LED light grow.
Plant.
Show us the plant.
Yes, we have an experiment loan professionally for glowing weather tables, but I'm afraid it's not open to others because we are doing experience. Okay, maybe next time we can show you.
Okay. Okay.
But right now I'm going to show you our workshop.
Okay.
We have very clean and international workshop here. Okay, maybe come a close look. Here, our factory has passed the ISO 9001. And we have more than 100 production lines here. And so far, the production line includes complete procedures of the LD chip, such as die bonding, wire solder, expanding, pin splitting, and also tape loading. Yes, you can see the workers are working very serious and hard here.
Okay, Melissa.
Do you like a Ledstar?
Yes, I can say.
Welcome to visit us. So far, we have helped more than 2,600 customers around the world to create perfect glow lighting fixtures and also other commercial lighting fixtures. Yes, and we hope to help more customers. If you need help, please contact us. If you need professional glow LED chip, please contact me. Our contact details can be found in the video as below. Follow us. Yes, Ledstar, your best choice. Thank you for your time. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Melissa. Thank you for your professional introduction. Yes, if you are interested in Ledstar product, you can leave your contact information or you contact Melissa directly. Yes, it's very a professional company. Yeah, as far as I know, it's very famous plant lighting company in China. Yes, thank you, Melissa. Thank you. See you next time.
My pleasure. See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.